Hey guys, in today's video I will show you how you can create a shortcut on Snapchat. So this will basically allow you to send streaks all at once. So without further ado, let's go on Snapchat and let's basically do this. So first what you need to do here is to basically make a photo and then press on send to, that is on a bottom right corner. And as you can see here on top there is a little letters called send to, so you need to press on these send to letters. And as you can see here on a left top corner there is a button called create shortcut, so press this, and as you can see here use shortcuts to quickly select friends and groups. Yeah, we know that. So basically what you need to do here is to select friends that you want to send streaks, and then you need to basically select the emoji. So let's, for example, put this emoji, and let's select, for example, Team Snapchat. Alright, so as you can see here, and this shortcut is created. So if I go here, there is a shortcut with member Team Snapchat. So guys, if I helped you out, press like button and subscribe for more similar content. Take care, bye.